If you find yourself cutting and pasting code when building OTP applications in Elixir more than you feel you should, or you constantly are looking up, how does a GenServer work, and you never quite understand between call and cast, for example, or how to use some of these constructs in Elixir like links, then I have the product for you. I'm launching Elixir Weekly Exercises. You can find a link down below. And for just $79, you will get an exercise group sent to you every week. And on Monday and then on Thursday, you will get the solution in a video like this one. And then in text, there's also a Slack channel you can talk to other participants. Why should you do this? Well, in many fields, for example, music, if you talk to a professional musician, they practice a lot. They're learning new things constantly, learning new music, and so on and so forth. At least that's what my musician friends tell me. I couldn't carry a tune without the aid of a bucket. In fact, there's an old joke. If you're not from New York or the United States, Carnegie Hall is a famous concert hall in New York City. And the old joke is, how do you get to Carnegie Hall? The answer is, practice, baby, practice. A more direct approach might be to take the N train to 57th Street in Manhattan. I want the Elixir community to feel more confident with the structures of OTP, so I'm launching Elixir Weekly Exercises, and you can get the link below, and I hope this will provide a boost to you in your Elixir development and make you more efficient in your coding. And if you ever get a chance to see a concert at Carnegie Hall, you should probably do that too.